everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn something more about the respiration. It is stage number 4 and is named as electron transport chain. The name indicates there are electrons transporting from one to another, one molecule to another one. So previously we have discussed that Krebs cycle is not able to produce energy from FADH2 or NADH. So we need some other converter. So this electron transport chain is a converter of NADH and FADH2 into the ATP. So let's go into the more detail. The hydrogen atoms split into protons and electrons. First of all, the electron pass along the carriers, releasing the energy. That there are energy pump protons that help in the chemiosmosis. Mean it is the osmosis, but of the protons. Then ATP synthase is present, and it almost produces 34 ATP in a cycle. So let's go into the oxidative phosphorylation. It is the final stage. It occurs at the inner mitochondrial membrane. We have discussed this earlier as well, that the where these reactions takes place. What is the site? And this involves the donating of hydrogen atoms from the reduced NAD and FAD, and then electron pass along the electron transport chain. Energy is released to pump protons into intermembrane space. So let's go into like the detail of each one. So let's discuss the cycle, or sorry, the chain, not the cycle. The Krebs cycle is the cycle. So we have, let's say, complex 1. Then we have complex 2. And here we have coenzyme Q as well. Let's label it here. Sorry, आई गेस इस डिलीटेड फ्रॉम ये कर देना, मैं दोबारा कर रही हूँ, लिख रही हूँ, ठीक है. So we have different complexes. There are four complexes, let's say 1 till 4. Then we have one coenzyme Q. Then we have ATP synthase with proton pump, and this is a place where the ADP is converted into ATP. So let's learn about this. So we have four. Sorry about so many lines. This is the complex 1. Then this one is complex 2. Here the coenzyme Q is present. Let me make it like this. Then there is complex 3, and here we have cytochrome C. Here we have the complex 4, and the last one, an enzyme is present, which is ATP synthase. So what is going to happen? So here the water molecule, or sorry, the NADH is reduced to NAD by giving the electrons to this one. That's why it is electron transport chain. Moreover, the protons will move out into the intermembrane space. So this is the inner membrane, and this is the intermembrane space. So the electrons are given here. So again, next electrons are given here, and the next electrons are, oh, sorry, protons are given here. So these are the protons ones. So there are lots of hydrogen ions in this interspace. intermembrane space. Now how the electrons are going to jump? So electron jump from one to the coenzyme, sorry, and here in complex 2 the Fa